Want to start making $100 a day online using AI? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that are helping people around the world earn real money from home, even with zero experience. Whether you're into freelancing, content creation, or automation, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up, we're talking about ChatGPT. And if you haven't heard of it yet, where have you been? This AI can write everything from emails and essays to code and poetry. But here's the thing. Most people just use it for themselves. They're missing out on a huge opportunity. See, ChatGPT relies on something called prompts, which are basically instructions that tell it what to create. And those prompts, you can actually sell them. That's where prompt-based comes in. It's like an Etsy for ChatGPT prompts. You list your best prompts, set your price, and boom, people can buy them and use them with ChatGPT. Imagine crafting the perfect prompt for writing YouTube video outlines or generating catchy marketing copy. People will pay for that, especially if it saves them time and helps them make more money. And the best part? It's passive income. You write the prompt once, and it can sell over and over again. It's like having your own little digital vending machine, dispensing AI creativity 24/7. We'll even drop a link to some popular prompt categories in the description so you can see what's selling. Trust me, this is a game changer. Next up, we're diving into the world of design with Canva, but we're not just talking about making pretty social media posts here. Canva's got this new AI feature called Magic Write, and let me tell you, it's magic indeed. Think of it as your personal content creation assistant, living right inside Canva. Need a catchy headline for your website? Magic Write. How about a compelling Instagram caption that'll stop those scrollers in their tracks? Magic Write. It can even help you brainstorm blog post ideas or write entire outlines. And the best part? It's all integrated seamlessly with Canva's drag-and-drop design tools. So how do you make money with this dynamic duo? Simple. You create and sell digital products. Think ebooks, workbooks, printable planners, social media templates. The possibilities are endless. And with Canva's massive library of templates and design elements, you don't even need to be a design whiz to make stuff that looks incredibly professional. Once you've got your digital products ready, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and build a passive income stream, all thanks to the power of Canva and AI. Chapter 3. Pictory.ai-Build a Faceless YouTube Empire. Alright, let's talk YouTube automation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that super saturated? Yeah, it can be. But here's the thing. Most people are still doing it the old way, spending hours filming and editing videos. But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter Pictory.ai. This tool is a game changer because it lets you create entire YouTube videos without ever showing your face. How? Well, it takes your blog posts or even just scripts and turns them into professional-looking videos, complete with AI voiceovers, stock footage, music, and captions. It's wild. So you can pump out high-quality content without ever having to hit record. Just imagine, you could be building a whole YouTube empire from behind the scenes, focusing on niches like AI, motivation, finance, or anything that interests you. And the best part? Pictory is constantly being updated with new features and templates, so your videos will always look fresh and engaging. Chapter 4. TidyCal plus Zapier Automate Your Freelancing Business. So maybe you're not into creating content or selling digital products. Maybe you're more of a freelancer at heart. Well, guess what? AI can help you there too. In fact, it can automate a ton of your freelance business, freeing up your time so you can focus on what you do best. The secret sauce here is a powerful combination: TidyCal and Zapier. TidyCal is your scheduling superhero. It lets clients book appointments with you directly through a personalized link, eliminating all that back-and-forth emailing. No more what time works best for you, just pure streamlined scheduling bliss. But here's where it gets really interesting. Zapier comes in to automate everything else. Think of Zapier as the glue that connects all your different apps and automates tasks between them. So, when someone books a call on TidyCal, Zapier can automatically send them a confirmation email, add them to your CRM, and even create a Zoom meeting link. It's like having your own personal assistant working tirelessly in the background. This combo is perfect for freelancers offering services like coaching, consulting, or virtual assistants. You can even niche down and offer specialized services like Notion setup for coaches or Instagram audit calls. The key is to find a problem you can solve and then use AI to automate the heck out of your business. Chapter 5. Selfie plus AI art generators. Turn AI creativity into cash. Okay, let's talk about one of the coolest and most unexpected ways to make money with AI selling AI-generated art. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can AI really be creative? And the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, there are AI tools out there that can create stunningly beautiful and unique pieces of art in seconds. We're talking about everything from abstract designs and surreal landscapes to photorealistic portraits and intricate patterns. And the best part, you don't need any artistic skills to do this. Just feed the AI some prompts, tweak the settings, and watch as it generates masterpieces right before your eyes. Once you've got some AI art you're proud of, it's time to monetize. That's where Selfie comes in. Selfie is a platform that makes it incredibly easy to sell digital products like printables, wallpapers, and even physical merch. So you can turn your AI art into digital downloads, print-on-demand posters, t-shirts, phone cases. The possibilities are endless. People are always looking for unique and eye-catching designs, and AI art is a goldmine of creativity. Plus, you can even offer custom AI art commissions, where people give you specific prompts or ideas, and you create personalized pieces just for them. Here's the best part. You can stack these tools together. For example, ChatGPT can be used to write a script, Pictory can be used to turn it into a video, Canva can make the thumbnail, and Selfie can be used to sell a matching product. The opportunities are endless. You just need to start. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next video on making money with AI. Drop a comment with your favorite tool or one you plan to try.